how are you? Did you practice reading? Because you did great reading with me yesterday. You did? That's good. We've got some more reading today because I'm sure you can read now. So, remember, I read 3 times, you follow the words with me later twice. Okay? Let's start. 4. Look at the board, please. 4. 4. 4. Try again. 4. Well done. 4. The. Well done. The. Good. The. Well done. Warm. Try. Warm. Well done. Warm. Good. Sunlight. Very good. Again. Sunlight. Again. Sunlight. Well done. On. Great. Again. On. Louder. On. Good. Lazy. Try. Lazy. Well done. Lazy. Good. Days. Good. Again. Days. Well done. Let's read the whole line now. For the warm sunlight on lazy days. For the warm sunlight on lazy days. For the warm sunlight on lazy days. Now you try. For the warm sunlight, good, on lazy days. For the warm sunlight on lazy days. For, good, for the. Try the again. The. Well done. The. Good. Rainbow. Try it. Rainbow. I can't hear you. Rainbow. Very good. Again. Rainbow. Good. That. Well done. Again. That. Good. That. Well done. I am so pleased with you. You're doing a great job. Shortly. Again. Shortly. I can't hear you. Shortly. Very good. Shortly. Well done. Stays. Well done. Stays. Good. For. Should we read the line first? For the rainbow. For the rainbow that shortly stays. 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 Good, boys and girls. Very good. Down, down, down. Very good. Again. Down. Good. Down. Your. Try. Your. Good. Again. Your. Last time. Your. Well done. Grassy. Grassy. Good. Grassy. Try again. Good. Grassy. Well done. Grassy. Brilliant. Hills. Hills. Again. Hills. Very good. Please say that louder. Hills. Very good. Louder. Hills. Good. I. Repeat, please. I. Good. I. Row. Good. Row. Well done. Row. Brilliant. Round. Good. Again. Round. You're doing very well. And. Please repeat. And. Good. And. Round. I can't hear you. Louder. Good. Round. Then. I. Please repeat. I. Get. Good. Dizzy. Dizzy. Good. Again. Dizzy. And. Good. Fall. Again. Fall. Very good. On. Brilliant. The. Good. Ground. Let's read the whole line. Then I get dizzy. Then I get dizzy. And fall on the ground. Now, boys and girls, you've read quite a lot of the poem. You read some yesterday and we've read some today. Your task is to reread and practice, and you're doing such a good job. I really do like the way you're doing this. So please try practicing again. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.